I'm going to quickly show you how misinformation around nutrition gets spread very easily. This article was doing the rounds on a lot of news sites last week, and apparently according to a new study, ultra-processed foods high in seed oils could be fueling colon cancer risk. Here's an example of a few of the other headlines, and it was reported on pretty much all news sites. And obviously people are going to see this and think, oh god, these foods must be bad for me because a study has said so. But let's have a look at what it actually says. If we take a little look here at the bottom of the article, it says, this study was not able to definitively connect the lipids detected in the colon cancer tumours to any specific food or oil. However, now I'm not saying that these studies are not important, they absolutely are. We need to continue adding to the body of evidence around nutrition. But maybe we shouldn't write news headlines about it until we're pretty damn sure. This is how misinformation is spread. So the next time you see a news article that says, a new study says, I would be very skeptical about it because potentially it's full of shit.